15 lesser-known facts about the Sun. The Sun is not actually yellow, but rather white. The atmosphere scatters shorter blue wavelengths of light, making it appear yellow from Earth. The Sun rotates at different speeds at different latitudes. This causes its magnetic field lines to twist and tangle, leading to sunspots and other solar activity. The Sun's surface is not smooth, but rather covered in granules and spicules, which are small, constantly changing structures caused by convective motion in the Sun's interior. The Sun has a helioseismology, which is the study of the Sun's internal structure and dynamics through observations of its surface oscillations. The Sun's magnetic poles flip every 11 years, which means that its north and south magnetic poles switch places. The Sun's equator rotates faster than its poles. This is known as differential rotation and is caused by the convective motion in the Sun's interior. The Sun has a faint companion star, called Nemesis, which some scientists think may be responsible for causing mass extinctions on Earth. The Sun is not the only star in the Milky Way to have planets. In fact, most stars have at least one planet orbiting them. The Sun's corona is much hotter than its surface, with temperatures reaching millions of degrees Celsius. This is a mystery that scientists are still trying to solve. The Sun's solar flares can release as much energy as 1 billion atomic bombs. The Sun emits a tiny amount of neutrinos, which are subatomic particles that can pass through matter without interacting with it. The Sun's energy output is not constant, but rather varies over time. This can have an impact on Earth's climate and weather patterns. The Sun's gravitational pull is responsible for keeping the planets in orbit around it. The Sun has a heartbeat, or pulse that changes over an 11-year cycle, with periods of high and low activity. The Sun is not eternal and will eventually run out of fuel and die. This will likely happen in about 5 billion years, when it will expand to become a red giant before collapsing into a white dwarf.